Do you need custom-made railings for your house? Take a look at the complete set of curved railings we custom-made for a European castle client. This is part of what we assemble in our factory. Our carving is so perfect in every details. The curves are produced strictly according to the drawings. This natural bare marble is so elegant. The overall design of this railing is such grand. Imagine how amazing it would be to have this railing installed at your house. Let's take a look at the drawings provided by the customer. This is a diagram. This is the overall floor plan. This is the detailed size.